Okay, good morning, students. Today we are starting with the next chapter, Science and Technology. Okay, I will read the questions and I will dictate the answers. Please follow. So, the first question: a chemical formula is a set of chemical symbols showing the elements present in a compound and their relative proportions. Which of the following formulae is correct? And the options are option A NaSO4, option B Ca2CO3, option C BiPO4, option D HEO. And the right answer is option C BiPO4. Next question. Tinian is the world's largest field aperture radio telescope. It consists of a fixed 500-meter dish constructed in a nature depression in the landscape. Where is it located? And the options are option A Zelenchukskaya, Zelenchukskaya, Russia. Option 2 Guizhou, China. Option 3 Arecibo, Puerto Rico. Option D Sriharikota, India. And the right answer is option B Guizhou, China. Next question. Which among the following is the main constituent of vegetable oils and animal fats? And the options are option A glycogen, option B glucose, option C triglyceride, option D lactose. And the right answer is option C triglyceride. Next question. 4 new elements, all super heavy, residing near the bottom of the periodic table, have been given proper names at last. One of these elements is moscovium, Mc. What is its atomic number? And the options are option A 118, option B 112, option C 115, option D 113. And the right option is option C 115. Next question. Children under the age of 5 can hear the sound up to the frequency of option A 25 Hz, option B 250 Hz, option C 25,000 Hz, option D 5 Hz. And the right answer is option C 25,000 Hz. Next question. Calamine lotion used as an anti-itching agent mainly contains, and the options are option A sodium, option B phosphorus, option C potassium, option D zinc. And the right answer is option D zinc. Next question. Leh in Ladakh is at a higher altitude than Delhi in the plains. Which of the following statements is true about boiling water in Leh as compared to boiling it in Delhi? And the options are: option A, water boils at a lower temperature in Leh. Option B, water boils at a higher temperature in Delhi. Option C, both A and B. Option D, water boils at a higher temperature in Leh. And the right answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. Vibration that travel through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear is called sound. The loudness of sound is determined by what property of sound? And the options are: option A, frequency; option B, velocity; option C, amplitude; option D, wavelength. And the right answer is option C, amplitude. Sorry. Next question. Plastics have been around since 1860s, but the first plastic made wholly of artificial materials was not patented till the 20th century. It was named Bakelite after its inventor Leo Henrik Baekeland. In which year was it patented? And the options are: option A, 1909; option B, 1911; option C, 1935; and option D, 1954. And the right answer is option A, 1909. Next question. A geodesic dome is a structure based on a network of intersecting triangular elements called geodesics on the surface of a sphere or a hemisphere. Who among the following is credited with the popularization of the idea of geodesic dome? And the options are, with image it is given: option A, Isaac Newton; option B, Buckminster Fuller; option C, J. Bruce Ismay; option D, Charles Correa. And the right answer is option B, Buckminster Fuller. Next question. It is common knowledge that matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Each of these can change into the other depending on temperature and pressure. Science has identified a fourth state of matter, which is found in the stars. Name it. And the options are: Option A, plasma. Option B, vacuole. Option C, magma. Option D, none of these. And the right answer is option A, plasma. Next question. Airliners generally cruise between about Mach 0.8 and MACH Mach 0.9 at cruising altitudes of 30,000 to 40,000 feet. Which of these commercial airliners is or was capable of supersonic flight more than the speed of sound? And the options are option A, McDonnell Douglas MD-80. Option B, Airbus A380. Option C, Concorde, or you can say Concorde. Option D, Boeing 777. And the right answer is option C, Concorde. Next question. Speed and velocity are often wrongly used interchangeably. What is the one factor that differentiates velocity from speed? And the options are option A, time. Option B, distance. Option C, direction. Option D, all of these. And the right answer is option C, direction. Next question. This gaseous chemical, which consists of 3 atoms in poisonous yet vital to human beings, as it protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Name this gas. And the options are option A, nitrous oxide. Option B, ozone. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, water vapor. And the right option is option B, ozone. Sorry, again it's a problem little bit. Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following chemicals is called hypo? And the options are option A, sodium chloride. Option B, sodium thiosulfate. Option C, potassium sulfate. Option D, potassium nitrate. And the right answer is option B, sodium thiosulfate. Next question. The classical Rutherford scattering of alpha particles against the nuclei of this element is an example of elastic scattering, because the energy and velocity of the outgoing scattered particle is the same as that with which it began. What element did Rutherford used in his experiment? And the options are option A, copper. Option B, helium. Option C, gold. Option D, plutonium. And the right answer is option C, gold. Next question. Noble gases or inert gases are so named because they are highly unreactive and do not form compounds under normal conditions. Which of these is not an inert gas? And the options are option A, xenon, option B, radon, option C, oganesson, option D, zirconium. And the right answer is option D, zirconium. Next question. India added a feather to its space program's cap by putting 20 satellites in orbit with a single launch in June 2016. These include 13 foreign satellites, 2 microsatellites created by Indian students. What was the name of the rocket that launched the satellite successfully? And the options are option A, PSLV C-34, option B, NAVIC Navik, option C, INSAT INSAT 3DR, and option D, GSAT 15. And the right answer is option A, PSLV C-34. Next question. Which company rolled out the first driverless commercial cabs in Singapore in 2016? And the options are given with image or symbols. First option is Uber. Second option is Tesla, TESLA. Third option is Nutonomy, NUTONOMY. And the last option is Ola, OLA. The right answer is option C, Nutonomy. Last question. The Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google. It has been the best selling OS worldwide on smartphones. What is the latest version of Android 9.0 called? And the options are option A, Oreo, option B, Jelly Bean, option C, Pie, option D, Lollipop. And the right option is option C, Pie. So here we have completed 20 questions, MCQ questions of third chapter, Science and Technology. In the next video, we will be coming up with the fourth chapter, India and the World. So for today, in this video, up till this much only. Good morning to all of you and thank you.